MANPADS. This is the most personal and portable form of air defense. A MANPADS is a shoulder-fired missile system that allows a single soldier to shoot down low-flying aircraft, especially helicopters and jets on attack runs. Most are equipped with an infrared seeker that homes in on the heat of an aircraft's engine, making them fire and forget. They are a crucial tool for infantry, providing them with their own organic protection from air attack. The American FIM-92 Stinger is the most famous example in the world. AAA/SPAAG. This is the classic form of air defense, using guns to shoot down aircraft. This category includes towed anti-aircraft artillery, or AAA, which are static cannons that protect a fixed position. It also includes the more modern self-propelled anti-aircraft gun, or SPAAG, which mounts rapid-firing autocannons and a radar system onto an armored vehicle. While less effective against high-flying jets, these gun systems are still deadly against low-flying aircraft, drones, and especially attack helicopters. SHORAD. This is mobile air defense designed to protect ground forces on the move. SHORAD systems are mounted on armored vehicles or trucks, and their job is to travel with a military column, defending it from attack helicopters, drones, and low-flying jets. This category includes both gun-based systems, like the German Gepard with its rapid-firing cannons, and missile-based systems, like the American Avenger, which mounts Stinger missiles on a Humvee. They provide a protective bubble for maneuvering forces. SAMs. These are the heavy hitters of air defense, designed to protect large, high-value areas like cities, air bases, or command centers. These are not single vehicles, but complex systems consisting of powerful search radars, a command and control station, and multiple missile launchers. They create a no-fly zone by being able to detect and destroy enemy aircraft and cruise missiles from hundreds of kilometers away. The American Patriot system and the Russian S-400 are the most famous and capable examples in this class. Naval SAMs. While CIWS is a ship's last line of defense, these are the systems that protect the entire fleet. Naval area air defense is centered around powerful, multifunction radars and vertically launched missiles. The most famous example is the American Aegis combat system, deployed on cruisers and destroyers. Aegis can track hundreds of targets at once and guide a variety of standard missiles, like the SM-2 and SM-6, to intercept enemy aircraft and cruise missiles from hundreds of kilometers away, creating a protective dome over a carrier strike group. ABM. These are highly specialized defensive missiles designed to do one of the hardest jobs imaginable, intercepting incoming ballistic missiles that are traveling at hypersonic speeds. ABM systems use incredibly powerful radars to track warheads in space or as they re-enter the atmosphere. There are two main types of interceptors. Exo-atmospheric, like the U.S. Navy's SM-3, are designed to collide with the warhead in space. Endo-atmospheric, like the U.S. Army's THAAD system, are designed to hit the warhead as it plummets through the upper atmosphere. CIWS. This is the last line of defense. A CIWS is a fully automated radar-guided Gatling gun designed to protect naval ships from sea-skimming anti-ship missiles that have penetrated all other defenses. The system automatically detects, tracks, and engages an incoming threat at very close range, firing thousands of rounds per minute to create a wall of lead to shred the missile just before it impacts the ship. The American Phalanx CIWS, nicknamed R2D2, is the most iconic example. CRAM. This is the land-based equivalent of a naval CIWS, designed to protect forward operating bases from attack. A CRAM system, such as the land-based Phalanx weapon system, uses a radar to detect incoming rockets, artillery, and mortar shells in mid-flight. It then automatically engages the threat with a high-speed Gatling gun, firing thousands of explosive rounds to create a wall of steel that destroys the projectile just before it can impact the base, providing a last-ditch protective shield. CIWS. This is a new and rapidly evolving category of air defense designed specifically to defeat the growing threat of small, low-flying drones. C-UAS systems use a variety of methods. Soft kill systems use high-powered jammers to disrupt the drone's command link or GPS signal, causing it to crash or return home. Hard kill systems physically destroy the drone using everything from kinetic interceptors and laser weapons to high-powered microwaves or even other specialized interceptor drones. IAMD. This is not a single weapon system, but the brain that connects them all. IAMD is a command and control network that links all of the different air defense systems, from a soldier with a MANPADS to a Navy destroyer with ABM interceptors, into a single cohesive shield. This network allows different sensors and shooters to share data in real time, creating a layered system of systems approach. It ensures the right weapon is used against the right threat, providing a defense that is far stronger than the sum of its parts. Thanks for watching. Which air defense type do you think will matter most in the next major conflict? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Please remember to also like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.